Let me tell you a quick story about a guy named Michael. In 8th grade, his teacher taught geometry without giving them a single formula. For 3 whole days, he just asked questions until the class figured it out on their own. And Michael, he was, let's just say, not a fan. He was actually furious.
But here's the kicker. Fast forward 25 years. Michael's an architect now. And that formula, he has never forgotten it. But it's more than that. He says he understands it at a bone-deep level. That struggle taught him how to think, how to break down a hard problem, and how to persist when the answer isn't easy. He uses that lesson every single day.
And Michael's story isn't just a nice anecdote. It's basically a perfect example of how our brains are wired to learn. When you have to actively wrestle with an idea, you're not just filing away a bit of data. No, you're building a rich, complex network of connections in your brain. You're learning with your whole mind.